Muslims have been told that instead of facing the prospect of reasoning, you much rather kill. That's what Surah Al-Baqarah says. Are you familiar with this?
Yes, familiar, very familiar.
So, the problem is, my dear friends, listen to it
We're going to have a
carefully.
conversation. Or
Whereas, at Speaker's Corner,
You're gonna have a
we would
conversation.
like to think,
you're going to have a conversation.
if you are a man, if you can come here, yes. If you're not a man, if you're a chicken, if you're going to just stay there, maybe not.
No one's going to speak to you shouting.
Chicken, I have for food every day.
Doesn't Jesus say, bring my enemies?
Surah.
Look, he says, not let me speak. Doesn't Jesus say, bring my enemies here, I want to slaughter them? Doesn't he say
Please
that?
come here. Let's deal with that.
Doesn't he
Please
say
come
that
here.
or not?
Clearly,
Does he say yes or no?
Please come here.
Yes or no?
Did Jesus say, please come here, please come here.
It's a
Don't look
parable, yeah?
confused already, please.
So it's there though.
Excuse me, my dear friend.
Go and speak to
Please,
him.
please come here.
So you are the same. You have this. You're the same killing religion as we are.
Shall we
You
try?
claim that
Please
we're
come
killing
here.
religion, yours
Please come here, please come here.
So don't talk shit.
So look at the delusion
Don't
there.
talk shit. Your
I
religion
mean,
is a
what
killing
level of
religion.
delusion would make this
Christianity
gentleman think
Where's Christianity?
Jesus, who is the Prince of Peace, he thinks, said, go kill my enemies. I mean, can you imagine the level of brain damage that has already gone on there?
And Bukhari is above.
Surah Al-Baqarah, my dear friends, my dear Muslim friends, any Muslims who are paying attention from a distance, please don't be afraid, come closer. Don't be afraid. My dear Muslim friends, please don't be afraid, come closer. What we do here is at Speaker's Corner, we use our brain. Hello sir, you're Muslim sir. Alhamdulillah, please come here sir, please.
I'm good. I'm listening.
You are listening.
I want to listen
Now,
to this.
let me ask you a
I
simple
don't want to answer. I'm listening.
Sure. Let me ask you a simple question. You know, thinking, reasoning, do you think reasoning is a serious problem for Islam? Serious enough that you'd much rather kill than reason?
I don't want to answer.
Because you already know Islam has all sorts of evil behavior, which, why don't you want to answer?
I just don't want to, but that's not true.
But do you want to answer or not?
I'm saying it's not true.
All right, dear friends, please listen carefully. My Jesus Christ says, think before you decide. He gave a few parables. One of the parables was, count your cost before you begin to build. Thinking is a good thing to do. My Jesus Christ, who is Creator God, knows about it. And therefore he says, think. But what does your Islamic Mickey Mouse Allah say? The Mickey Mouse Islamic Allah. He says, don't think. Surah Al-Baqarah. Reference, Surah Al-Baqarah. Thinking is risky. It's too risky that you'd much rather kill the person who is making you think than actually think. That's Islam for you. Why are you nodding so quick, sir? Please come in. You're a Muslim. Are you a Muslim, sir? I can see. Without knowing what is happening, you're nodding your head. You must be a Muslim. Please come here, sir. You, my young friend, please. What is that? Thank you for what? We have only started giving you some helpful information. Don't thank too quickly. Please receive the entire help and then thank me. Any brave Muslim, my dear young man, how old are you? 13, too young, that's fine. Do you have any adults nearby? Parents, siblings, older siblings?
That's very good. Humility.
Please bring older Muslims. All older Muslims seem to always run away. Please grab hold of one of them and bring them here. Any adult, hello sir, are you Muslim sir? You are a Muslim sir? Well, you're terrified, you must be one. Well, already I asked the first question and you can't speak. Are you Muslim, my dear friend? Well, how can you be okay if you're a Muslim?
No, I don't want to be in your video.
Look, let me tell you very important. Very importantly, being a Muslim is not okay. Is really not okay. Well, because who in their right mind would think that thinking is evil? Persecution, it says, persecution is worse than killing. And do you know what the Quran calls as persecution? Come here, please. Please come here. No, please come here. Look, all cameras are set. Just because you're a little bit lazy, don't make everyone work. Please come here. Please come. Yeah, don't give me attention. You may begin to make sense. Don't do that. It's risky. Wear a COVID mask all year long. 20 years after COVID, you still have to wear a COVID mask. Look at the misery that Islam has done for you.
Wallah. He's a good Muslim. He's a good Muslim.
This guy is a good one.
Yeah.
You must be joking. This guy
Let's give him the benefit of the doubt.
the benefit of the doubt is he needs help. All right, please come here, my dear friend. Where are you going? Please. Hello, anyone? You said you're going to be here. You run away now already. No? Please come here. You don't want to be here? Have you ever read Surah Al-Baqarah?
I have the whole in my head. I've read it all.
You've read it all.
And your book.
Are you familiar?
Bible as well.
And your book.
Don't forget about my book. Look, you can't make sense even with your book. Why do you care about my book? If you can't make sense even with your book, why do you care about any other book? Please come here, sir. My dear friend, please come here. Does the Quran say, excuse me, please come here. Would you like to come here or not? You don't want to come here.
I will stay here and listen to you.
Any
You know,
Muslim who
putting the
wants to
keys
come here. Hello,
and-
my dear friends. Are you Muslims, both of you? Good start. Are you Christians already? That's lovely. That's good. Any Muslim? Are you Muslim, my dear friend? No, that's good. Everyone who is not a Muslim, you're already doing partially good. Partially good. You just need to be completely good by being a Christian, becoming a Christian. Hello, my young friend. Are you a Muslim? You look angry. You must be one. Please come here. If you look angry, you must be one. Please come. Are you a Muslim, my dear friend? Please come here. Looking angry again. You must be a Muslim. Please come. My dear friend, please come. Okay. Who is the brave Muslim who wants to be here? Hello, my dear friends. Muslim, sir? You, sir? What? How can all religion be the same? All religion are same. Please come here. Let's try and see if that is true. Please come. Surah 2, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 193. Who is here? Dear friends, Surah 2. Muslim friends, please come here. We're dealing with Islamic mental ailment. Did you realize Islam is a mental ailment? If you haven't realized this, Muslims, are you Muslims, my dear friends?
I believe in Jesus.
You what?
I believe in Jesus.
Look, you believe in all sorts of fantasies. Of course you would believe in Jesus also. If you believe in Mickey Mouse, you would believe in anything, wouldn't you? Well, I believe in Jesus based on knowledge. You guys believe in Jesus based on ignorance. Not good. Not good at all. Please come here.
This is how Christians talk.
Please come here, my dear friend. Please. Please come here. Any Muslim who wants to come nearby? Anyone at all? Any Muslim, my dear friends, would you like to come? One of you, please. Old enough? How old are you, my dear friend? How old are you? How old? How old? Too much Xbox and too much Quran will lead you to brain damage. If you are a Muslim, give up on Xbox. You can't deal with two mental ailments at the same time. Only one at a time. Either Islam or Xbox. Which one? Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? Well, if you are one, you won't know. Any Muslim?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a recent convert.
Sorry, you're a recent convert.
A recent convert to Islam.
Okay, why?
The reason convert to Islam.
Yes.
Because of the superiority of the religion and the fact that it solves a lot more problems than any other religion.
Give me one major problem that Islam could solve, please.
Drinking.
Drinking,
alcohol.
please explain.
Okay.
Right? So basically, look at Christian society. They're supposed to drink.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
The question is simple. Forget about Christian society. Focus on the question.
Okay.
Tell me how Islam solves the drinking problem, please.
By banning it.
By banning it. Explain.
Well, if you ban it and people don't drink, people don't get intoxicated. And as Christians, people will always go around thinking they've got freedom to drink this, that, and the other. Actually, they're only supposed to drink once or twice a year, and they drink every day.
Do you know where the Quran bans
Only
drinking?
take
Do you
us
know?
1 hour's worth. It's
You
alright.
don't need to come out to ban drinking. You know, drinking's wrong because of intoxication. Every doctor will tell you that drinking's wrong.
Do you know why the Quran bans drinking? Do you know why?
Because it's wrong.
Are you sure about this? Do you know where it is?
I don't know specifically, but I know that drinking.
All right, dear friends. For anyone,
This should be fun. You know you've lost before you start. I understand the art of war. His argument is already going to be destroyed. Get the cameras ready. Here we go.
Okay.
He's on his phone already. He can't even ask any questions.
Be mindful of the
because-
mic. It's there,
yeah,
yeah? So
I recently converted to Islam because it's far superior than any other government face.
Okay, due to what?
Loads of things.
We're
number
waiting.
one, say no, one.
Well,
We're
number
waiting.
one, the first question he asked was drinking.
Okay, okay.
What
We'll
does
stick to
drinking
that.
do to people?
We'll stick to that. We'll stick to that.
One second. Because you can't take the place, you can't tell me where Islam forbids drinking. I'd like to take that for you.
It doesn't
Because
matter. No,
once you find out,
Doctors in this
One-
country
once-
say drinking's bad.
once you find out why Islam
yeah, they're having a press. Let them. That's their problem.
forbids drinking, you will leave
Because nothing to
Islam.
do with
You
it.
know why Islam forbids drinking?
Tell me why Islam
wait.
forbids drinking.
Islam forbids
police are
drinking
gonna get
because you
involved.
can't drink and fight. That's why Islam forbids drinking. And I'd like to take that for you. Just give me 1 minute.
So the first point I said was drinking. So he's already on the back foot, isn't he?
Okay.
Already on the back foot. He's already on his phone. I can come out with my answers in 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
You know why? Because I'm a double first maths. What's your level of maths?
Because you are a clueless man.
No, not
and you
clueless,
play
man.
clueless things. You can say anything you want. And
Anyone-
you can get away with it.
we've all learned
Surah
mathematics.
5, Surah Al-Maida is the one which bans drinking. Have you ever read Surah Al-Maida in your life?
No, I haven't. I just know that drinking's bad.
Wait a second.
But do you agree that drinking's bad?
Please listen to me.
Okay. I'll listen.
He's a new convert.
Yeah, sure. The question we are asking is not whether drinking is bad, but why the Quran bans drinking. That's what we are dealing with. Because
Why?
in your
Yeah.
view, it is a good thing that Islam does.
Yep.
And I'm going to tell you
Why?
why Islam bans drinking. I want to focus on that. It is not for any noble purpose to save your life, but it is for a horrible purpose that when you are drunk, you can't go around murdering others. If you're Osama bin Laden, you won't want to drink. That is why the Quran bans drinking. And I want to show you that. And that is why I'm asking you, have you ever read Surah Al-Maida?
No, I haven't.
Time to begin to read. Once.
Yeah, but I understand.
What does it say? What does it say?
Look, it's, to understand drinking could harm you is different from saying Islam is doing a good thing. Yeah?
He's doing a very fantastic
No, listen to me.
That's the murder people.
They are two different.
Crusaders were drunk, they all murdered people.
One
Crusaders were all drunk, they all
We'll
murdered
deal with
people.
your confusion in the book, please. We'll deal with your confusion separately. If you can please wait for a second. Now come to
One at a time.
Surah Al-Maida. Surah Al-Maida.
One at a time.
Surah Al-Maida
Yeah.
is the place, is the chapter
Crusaders drunk.
where
Did they kill
in the
people?
middle of
Were the
giving
Crusaders
instructions
drunk?
as to how
Were
to
the
go
Crusaders
around
drunk?
and kill
Were the
others,
Crusaders drunk?
it says
Were the Crusaders
don't
drunk?
drink
Did they kill people?
intoxicating
Mike,
drinks.
Mike.
Yes,
The whole
they did.
point about drinking, it doesn't
Yes,
benefit.
they did.
Islam
Don't intimidate, don't
doesn't solve the problem by saying you shouldn't drink.
All right, how many can understand the point that I'm making? The gentleman comes
Nobody
here.
can because you're stupid.
Good, thank you very much, sir. Now you can keep moving
How
on.
many
Thank you
people
very much.
think drinking is wrong?
The
It's
question
obligation.
I asked is, hello.
Intimidate behaviour. Intimidate behaviour.
Stay away, okay?
Intimidate behaviour.
Yeah, you do whatever you want away from me. Clearly you look deluded. As long as you stay away, it's fine. Thank you very much.
Okay, next question. Why is it right? Okay.
Again. Are you hearing me? I don't want this nonsense to touch me again. If you care about delusion, stay away. If this nonsense touches me again, I'll take that as an assault, my dear friend. So stay away.
Intimidating behaviour. Intimidating behaviour.
This, look at this. Look at this murderous ideology.
You got no balls.
Look at the flag.
You're scared of
Look at the flag behind me. You know what
They've
the
only just
flag
finished fasting.
stands
Look.
for?
No.
Do you know
They've only
what
just
the
finished fasting.
flag
They've only just finished
stands
fasting.
What?
That flag stands for a genocidal
They've only
intent
just finished fasting for your sins. And you behave like that. And you behave like that. Why aren't you stopping them?
Essentially,
Why aren't you stopping your friends then?
I'm not, I don't know, I just...
Yeah, they've only just finished fasting.
Okay,
You're supposed to be a Muslim.
Israel
Stop them then.
out of the map.
Remember, I've only just got in church, I don't know the rules.
By waving that nonsense
understand?
flag behind me. I'm coming to you, sir. Please! Stay quiet, sir. You haven't added much to the IQ of this meeting. Please stay quiet. The question asked was simple. Hello?
Get the flag arrested.
The question
What's the question?
The question asked was simple. I asked the gentleman, is there anything good that comes from Islam? Or
Yes,
something
everything.
like that.
I've
And he
answered
said-
everything.
He said there is one good thing, and he wanted to mention about how alcohol is being banned by Islam. So I asked him the question, do you know why alcohol is banned? If it comes near me again,
Arul, just focus on him. Arul, just focus.
All right, ask another question.
A self-Christian preacher.
Just focus.
take that nonsense away from me. I don't want that to touch me again, sir. Genocidal maniacs, death cult marches. Look at this nonsense. What does this flag stand for? Genocide.
Right, don't worry.
Genocide is what this flag stands for. And all Muslims carry that because they are intent on genocide. They want to wipe out Israel from the map. Now, all right. Do you know why Islam bans drinking alcohol?
Oh, we don't. Tell us
The
why.
gentleman doesn't know.
Because when you use alcohol, you can commit all kind of crime.
Correct.
And
One
Allah
sec.
subhanahu wa ta'ala
Look,
doesn't
look.
want you to be your mind clouded.
then you can
So
hold
you are
responsibility.
responsible
How many-
for whatever you do.
Excuse me.
I
Give
execute
me
you.
my
Please, I
give me my space. Give me my space. Stand there. Give me my space, please. Give me my personal space. Give me my personal space. Stand a
You
little bit
have
away.
enough space.
My personal space. If you give me and stand a
You
little
have
bit
enough
away.
space. I'm not touching.
All right.
Okay, right.
So the gentleman says the reason why alcohol is banned in the Quran is apparently for some nonsensical noble cause. I'll tell you why alcohol is banned in the Quran.
Why?
The ban of alcohol in the Quran is in a chapter called Surah Al-Maida, Surah 5.
No.
The same chapter where
What does it say?
Christians and Jews Muslims have been asked to chop the arms and legs, hands and legs of Christian and Jews on the alternative sides. The same chapter 5, Ayah 32, talks about the chopping off. Actually goes on to talk about banning intoxicating drink. In context, it is very clear the ban is meant to be to make sure that the Islamic nutters will not be drunk while they are going around killing Jews and Christians.
Okay, correct.
That is the reason why
can't
the
speak-
Quran bans alcohol. Now,
right, can
I'm
I
going
ask
to
you-
ask you again.
No, you've asked
Have
me
you
that
ever read Surah Al-Maida, sir?
Right. I'll ask you a question now, right?
Have you read Surah Al-Ma'idah, sir?
I'm going to ask you a question. Why is it that in America they banned alcohol in prohibition between 1919
Have you read Surah Al-Ma'idah,
and
sir?
1932?
Surah Al-Ma'idah, sir. Have you
forget-
read?
No, forget that. I'm asking
Okay,
you
in
a
other
question.
words, Islam is useless.
my question.
Forget about Islam.
Right, why did they ban...
Excuse me, sir.
Right,
You may be confused. Let me
Can I ask
clarify.
you
No,
why-
once.
right,
No,
I
once.
wouldn't
Once.
answer-
He wouldn't answer you.
I'll ask you again.
He wouldn't.
Where in the
wouldn't answer
Quran
you.
does the ban
Because
of
all this
alcohol
is-
come
He
in?
doesn't want to answer
According-
it.
according
Do you know
to-
why? Because Christian society has failed.
Sure.
You are
Okay,
a failure.
if I can.
And I'll tell you why
If
you're a
I can,
failure.
if I can.
You can't even
No, he
answer
answer you. He's
You're
answering you.
useless.
Does
answer you.
Surah Al-Ma'idah talk
Forget
about...
Surah. What about the prohibition? Answer the question.
Excuse me, sir. Let me be
What?
clear.
No.
Let me be
Answer
clear.
my question.
What? No.
Can you answer the question?
Answer the question. Answer
The
the
question is
question.
this.
Answer
Shut
the
up for a
question.
minute and start listening.
Question.
Why did America have prohibition between 1919 and 1932? Why was alcohol banned in America? Answer it.
But do you see what has happened already?
Answer the question.
Don't touch me. Don't touch
Answer
me.
the question.
Answer the question.
Don't touch me.
Why are you so useless?
Don't touch me.
I won't touch you.
Okay, thank you.
Answer the question.
Do you see what has happened already?
What happened?
This
Like a turnip.
This
Answer the question.
clearly, this gentleman, who likely is even paid by the Dawa Mafia gang, has showed up here having absolutely no clue about Islam, just trying to do justice to the payment he has received, which is maybe 10 pounds,
Is that your
20
answer?
pounds for the day.
Is that your
And he
answer?
shows up here not having a clue, not having a clue, and he has already moved away from the Quran. How many of you, excuse me, sir, how many of you would like to hear why Islam bans alcohol? Anyone?
Question now.
Now.
Answer the question now.
Could I ask him?
America ban alcohol.
No, enough.
Sorry, you talk about.
You see, you appear. Excuse me,
Shut
sir.
up for a minute. He said-
Maybe too much drink last
Don't
night,
touch him.
not doing much
Let
good.
him- Let him answer.
The question is simple.
America
Why
banned
does
alcohol.
Islam ban
And
alcohol?
why did America
Simple
ban it
question.
Between 1990 and 1930? Because they knew it was not very good for society.
pray drunk. That's why they got banned.
The society was pretty drunk.
No, they would show up and pray when they were drunk.
They would show up and pray, and as a matter of fact, they would pray and then go and fight also. They were drunk and not fit for fighting. What kind of fighting? Jihadi John fighting. Not any normal fighting. The fighting that this gentleman wants to advocate. For the 20 pounds he was paid this morning. Clearly, he wants to show up here and defend the religion.
Does he have
Look
any
at him. Does anyone... Wait.
A deceitful-
Whoa.
a deceitful-
Wait. Excuse me.
A deceitful person.
How many of you
A hypocrite.
would like... Excuse me, sir.
A
How many...
hypocrite. A hypocrite.
Stay quiet.
Because you
Stay
saying
quiet.
he was.
How many would like to know if he has remotely any clue before he was paid to show up here? Any clue about Islam? I'd like to really
I know
know.
all about it.
Please tell me, how many chapters are there
okay.
in the Quran, sir?
Right, okay.
How many chapters are there in the Quran, sir?
144.
144.
Is that correct?
How? Wrong. Don't ask the ones you pay. One second.
fine.
Excuse me, sir. Please listen.
What was the question?
Please listen.
How many chapters are there in the
144.
114.
No, don't.
114.
Was he?
It's obvious
Wow.
that he talk about
The
Islam
ones-
with somebody
excuse me,
who
sir.
doesn't know about Islam.
Exactly the
Because
point.
he
That
doesn't
is
like-
exactly
he
my
doesn't-
point.
He doesn't like to
Someone
talk
who
to Muslims.
doesn't know Islam.
Because
Did you hear from him?
a
You don't know
hypocrite.
Islam. Don't
hypocrite.
represent Islam because you haven't got a clue. Excuse me, sir.
Yep.
What's the difference
A
between 100?
hypocrite.
Don't worry.
A hypocrite.
What
would
do you
not-
know? Do you know 100?
Look how he stand
Excuse
there in front
excuse
of me.
Do you know?
Hypocrite
I know.
would
Do
not
you know-
talk to a Muslim.
Do you
What's the
know?
most important
Because
verses?
he
Do you know?
68 and 69.
Do you know?
68
Excuse me.
and
Face.
69.
Face. Do you know there is a huge difference between 144 and 114?
There's 30 difference. It's not huge.
30 difference out of about 100. He got it 30% wrong already.
All right, I've got
Okay, let me ask you, sir. Do you know? Excuse me, sir. Do you know? Excuse me,
He
sir.
doesn't know. No, I am with
So
him.
do you understand? Take it from him. You don't know Islam. Take it
He
from him.
doesn't know.
I know Islam.
He doesn't
Listen,
know.
no. Listen to him carefully. Do you see the hat that he has?
Why have I converted?
Wait. Excuse me, sir. Do you see the hat that he has? Excuse me, sir. Do you see?
Church is not filled.
Listen, please listen. Do you see the hat that he has? Do you see?
The head of the
Okay,
church
he is going to.
has
Does he know Islam or not?
It's obvious that he doesn't.
So obviously you don't know. Please stay quiet.
Do we live in a Christian
Next time, when they pay you, excuse me, sir.
They're not
Next
paying
time,
anything.
next time, when they pay you 20 pounds.
Give it to him.
Next time, when they pay you 20,
He
excuse me,
needs
sir.
money to-
Next time, when they pay you 20 pounds,
Yeah, this
also tell them, give me 1 hour training.
Yes.
At the least, ask for it before you come here.
Or come
Now
here.
coming to you, sir.
He will teach you
Coming
about
to you,
Islam.
sir.
What's your level of maths?
Which surah forbids intoxicating drink or strong drink in the Quran? Which surah?
I don't need to tell you which surah.
Do you know? Don't you know?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Anyway,
I'll tell
in
you.
Islam,
No.
in Islam-
Wait.
Okay, let me
I'll
finish.
tell you.
I will answer you.
Surah
I don't-
Al-Ma'idah. Do you know what Surah Al-Ma'idah is about?
Quran.
Do you know what Surah Al-Ma'idah is about? A simple question. Surah Al-Ma'idah is a particular chapter focused on a particular theme. Do you know the theme?
Yes.
What is it?
What is it?
It's about the people who was surrounding Jesus. They asked Jesus to ask God to reveal a table for them to have
To have chicken curry. Listen to him.
Because he's angry.
Look,
He loves chicken
I'll
curry.
tell you quickly.
chicken-
While, excuse me, sir, excuse me, see. When you see a Muslim, my dear friends, excuse me, please listen. When you, at Speaker's Corner, do you know how to identify when a Muslim apologist is beginning to lie? Anyone? When they open their mouth. Did you see his mouth open? So he was already beginning to lie. Especially when they are stuttering, and stammering and trying to extend, saying nothing. Please be sure he is a bona fide Takia liar.
No.
Sanctified, bona fide, certified Takia.
Okay.
I'll tell you I'll tell you.
Jesus thinks
Excuse me,
the
sir.
Lord our God is one.
Surah Al-Ma'idah.
The Lord
What
our
is
God
Surah?
one.
Excuse me, sir.
According to Jesus.
Please wait.
According to
Excuse me.
him,
What is
the
what
Lord
drink?
our God is
What
three.
drink is this?
Three and one.
What drink is this? What drink is
Water.
that? Please try that. That could help
I
you.
already tried.
Clearly not working enough. Please get something else. Now, Surah Al-Ma'idah, my dear friends, is about introducing this new religion called Al-Islam. Please listen. Surah Al-Ma'idah is about establishing a new religion and telling the people of the new religion, listen,
One of the lowest human beings in England. You know that.
whereas he was stuttering and trying out with his Takia lies, I'll give you a quick summary of Surah Al-Ma'idah. Surah Al-Ma'idah is giving Muslims a definition. Listen.
Look, he loves
Don't
to
look
hear
at
his
him.
voice.
Liar.
He's a chicken.
You're a liar. You're a
Can you see him stand behind the camera?
I
His
can see-
his
I
middle
can see
name
you
is
shouting.
Chicken.
I can see you
I can tell you already. His middle name is Chicken.
lies all the time.
Surah Al-Ma'idah is about instructions given to Muslims that people of Judaism and Christianity have to be wiped out.
Christianity, if you like Christianity.
That is the theme of Surah Al-Ma'idah. And in that process, Surah Al-Ma'idah goes on to say, don't drink alcohol.
Your Christianity.
Let me ask you a simple thing, my dear friends. So far, stay quiet. Get a better drink, come back. Get a better drink, come back. So my dear friends, let me ask you a simple question. You, sir, are you a Muslim, sir? Let me ask you a simple question. Please. If someone says, hello, my dear Muslim friends, please pay attention.
We're your friends now. We're your friends now.
You've always been. You are the only one confused, thinking we all need to be murdered.
Now we're your friends.
Islam has made you to be confused.
where?
Got friends like
If
you.
someone tells you,
Friends like
Hello,
you.
excuse me.
hello,
Oh, wow,
hello.
wow.
Where-
Listen.
Where?
Please listen. No, where? There, in the cafe
where?
there.
No.
Where can you get a
where?
good drink? There. Sorry.
He's gonna put it
Sorry,
on my eyes, man.
sorry. Where can you get a good? There.
Where Jesus asked you
All right.
to drink alcohol and go and dance.
Let me ask a sensible man a question. Excuse me. Don't shout it.
Your Bible
Don't shout into my ears.
advise you to
If
drink
someone
alcohol,
advises,
drink
excuse me, sir.
and show
The microphone
us
is here.
Your body.
If someone advises you, what's that?
Fuck you.
Please come here. Please come here. How old are you?
Where is the Bible
How old are you?
allow you to drink alcohol?
How old are you?
And commit
Did you change your diaper recently?
lawful act?
Did you change your diaper before showing up at Speaker's Corner?
About the Bible.
Clearly, it's overflowing. You're not making sense.
It's obvious.
Go to some place near Speaker's Corner. It says baby changing facility. Change and come back, please. Someone else. Some other adult without an nappy on. Sorry, please.
My eyes.
Sorry.
We love you, Yaya. We love you.
Speaking to him will make me be confused. Hello, sir. Any Muslim without a diaper on? Without a nappy? Anyone?
He never drew
You,
for
sir.
the
You
Bible.
clearly have a nappy. Don't worry. Muslim, sir. You please come here. Muslim.
Here. I am next to you. Why are you calling other
Look,
people?
I have. Look. Wait a second.
I'm looking.
Listen, please. I have checked on you for 25 minutes now, and I can tell you, you need a stronger drug right now. Clearly, what has been given to you is not enough. We need a better medicine that needs to work on you.
I guess.
In the
I
meantime,
don't know
no.
what drug you
I
are
shall.
on, but can you
Wait.
provide me some?
I shall
Can you
note this down
of your
in the
drug you're talking
referral,
about?
so the next time
This
someone
is why-
comes, they'll
this is why
give you a
you're
better
not
dose.
able to listen to
You, sir.
anybody, but you're-
Hello, sir. Are you
Why
Muslim,
you
sir?
talking to Zayn?
Please come here.
Hello. You don't want to talk to me, Zayn.
You see, can you see him
No,
confused?
He's not able.
He's standing here. He's standing
Okay,
here and
you
he's
guys,
shouting
you
out as
guys.
if he's speaking to someone over telephone.
Nobody.
Don't touch me.
You're gonna convert
Don't
nobody.
touch me.
You're gonna convert
Don't
nobody.
touch me.
You're gonna convert
Excuse me, sir.
nobody.
Don't touch me.
You're a sick human being.
Stay away.
You're a sick
Don't
human
touch me.
being.
Stay away.
Complaining about flag assaulting.
All right, sir. You, sir. Hello, sir. You. Please come here. Why are you always angry? Always angry. Always angry. Always assaulting. Why? Why does Islam? All right. Now that we have understood that Islam does not have any good intention while banning alcohol, let's move on.